Children, on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, today we are going to make this Rakhi. We will make this Rakhi with the help of few basic things which we get at home. See, here I have three types of pulses. One is of orange color, the other one is of green color, and I have yellow color pulse. If you do not have all three types of pulses, children, you can use rice. Instead of any one, you can use rice. Then I need this cutouts. See, I have taken cutouts, one round and one square or rectangular, a smaller one. I have taken it from this old calendar page. Then I need a ribbon and Fevicol. And see, this is a flower, a marigold flower which I got. If you do not get a flower, children, then in that case you can use leaves. Now, see how I am spreading the Fevicol. I'm just making a circle and I'll fill inside the circle with the Fevicol like this. Then in the center I will put some yellow pulse in the center. Then I'll tap with my finger so that the pulse settle down. Then I'll take the orange pulse and I will put it round on the sides of the yellow pulse. I'll make a border with the orange pulse. I will use my finger to tap and let the pulses settle down on the Fevicol like this. Alright, now I will take the green ones. Now I am making one more layer. Alright, I am putting the border with the green pulse like this. I will make one more outer layer with the green pulses. I am putting the Fevicol on the last and the outermost layer, the border of the Rakhi. Then I'll take petals of the marigold flower and I'll stick the petals. As I told you, if you do not get marigold flower, you can use any other flower that you can get, or else you can also make small pieces of leaves and use. So, see how I am tapping the petals so that they get settled down. Can you see this, children? Now I'll keep it aside and I will be taking the ribbon, and on the ribbon I will put some Fevicol or any other glue. You can use any other glue, and this small piece of paper I'll put it on this to make the base of the Rakhi like this. Now just turn it upside down and put some more Fevicol or any other gum on the entire piece of paper and also on the ribbon. Now we are going to place the Rakhi on this and tap with our finger so that the Rakhi gets pasted to the ribbon and also to the base of the Rakhi. And our Rakhi is ready, children. See, like this you can place your Rakhi. Just see how you can use it. So this is the Rakhi which is ready. Please try to do this at home. Alright, and once done, take a picture of the Rakhi, and if you're sending your own photo also, then make sure you be in your school uniform. Thank you.